Okay, now we have learned a lot about deployment. Now let's jump into the monitoring and logging a little bit. So how do you set up the AWS load balancer controller for deploying it with Prometheus and Grafana stack?
Okay, so first of all, we have to search for the EBS CSI driver, and if we hadn't installed that in during the installation part, we have to do that in this step, like later or whenever you need the Prometheus Grafana, and then we have to install the AWS load balancer controller. We have to give some appropriate permission for that and create the service account for that. Then we have to say add the ingress tool, like how we want to do, and there are application on the GitHub to do that. Then we have to deploy the Prometheus Grafana with the Helm, as I previously said what a Helm is. And then after deploying the application, we have to check the ingress tool, like where it is running, and sometimes it creates issue due to the storage class. And if we face that kind of issue, we have to manually input the storage class name. And sometimes it also does face some issue with the ingress rule. So if we face that kind of issue, we have to manually edit the service, then we have to update the port on that service, and then the application will run, which means Grafana will be running without any issue. And it will be running on a ingress or load balancer.
Okay,
That's all. Thank you.
thank you.